Hey guys, this is Tamela. Welcome back again to another exciting episode of Designing with Tamela Bowie Interiors. In this video today, I'm going to share with you some tips on how you can create a summer bed for your master bedroom just in time for the summer season. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. In this video, I've partnered with HoneyMoon Home Fashions to showcase how you can create a summer bed look using their comforter from their hotel collection. Now, this is the comforter that I chose because of its modern and transitional look with this crisp white comforter fabric trimmed in a black ribbon. I've also loved the fact that the comforter is hypoallergenic, breathable, machine washable, and ultra soft, which makes it super comfortable and relaxing to sleep under. Now, anytime that I change out my comforter set, it gives me a reason to purchase new sheets along with a new linen spray, which I always seem to find at my local retailer Tuesday morning in some of summer's best scents. So now let's go ahead and show you how you can create a summer bed in your master bedroom. Okay, the first thing you want to do to create this summer bed look, and that is to add in some crisp white linens. And I always go to Tuesday morning to pick up my white linens because they have the Peacock Alley brand there. I love the Peacock Alley brand because it has the highest thread count, and also they're comfortable to sleep in, and they also stand the test of time through many washings. Now, I'm only going to use a fitted sheet because my top sheet I'm going to use has a beautiful black and white Greek key, and I think it's going to add a little touch of pizzazz to this summer bed. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I did not use a top sheet from my Peacock Alley sheet set. That's because I wanted to use my black and white Greek key top sheet for my summer bed. Okay, so now I've added on this beautiful comforter, and I absolutely love it. It does give this bed more of a summer feel because of all of the white. It's actually light enough to where my husband and I can actually sleep underneath it during the summer nights. And I love the fact, even though that it's all white, the black trim that goes around the perimeter of the comforter helps to break up some of the white and give it that sophisticated hotel look. Another thing that I really love about this comforter is that it's not flat, meaning that it has indentions within the comforter that gives it a little bit more fullness to it. And last but not least, it actually looks great with my black and white Greek key top sheet. So now let's go ahead and add those pillows on. Okay, so I want to share with you guys the pillows that I'm adding on to the summer bed. Now, this is one of the pillow shams that comes with the comforter set. It's a king size, so it came with 2 pillows, and it matches the comforter in that it's white, but it also has the black ribbon or black piping around the perimeter of the pillow shams. Then I wanted to add in a little bit more whimsy with the bed, and I added in these his and her pillowcases. And last but not least, I added in the pillowcase that matches actually the top sheet in the black and white Greek key. So let's go ahead and finish getting this bed all made up and add in the finishing pillows to finish off my summer bed. So now, to round off the decorating of my summer bed, I added in my decorative pillows, and the only new pillow I added to the mixture was the black and white Greek key pillow because it just works perfectly with the new bed comforter as well as my Greek key top sheets. Now, this is one look on how you can style your pillows. I want to show you another look on how you can style your pillows before I talk about briefly some of the changes that I made on the 2 nightstands in this space. So guys, this is the second way at which you can style your pillows on your bed for the summertime. I didn't do anything different with my accent pillows, but the pillows in back of the accent pillows, I just simply stacked on top of each other. And this is the look that you would generally see in a lot of hotels. So comment below, which way would you dress your bed? Would you stack your pillows or would you have your pillows slanted forward? So now let's go ahead and talk briefly about the little changes I did on our nightstand. Now, this is my husband's nightstand, and I wanted to keep his nightstand very simple and not overcomplicated. So I kept the same decorative accents here. I just added in the alarm clock. Now, we're on my side of the room, and I kept my desk/nightstand fairly uncomplicated as well. I just have some favorite books that I'm reading right now. The newest one is Elements of Style by Aaron Gates. And I also added some Pellegrino bottles for that nighttime thirst, and especially important to drink water in the morning. I have my Area Home Fragrance capsule, and also I added in some greenery. So now hopefully I provided you with some great tips on how you can create a summer bed in your bedroom for this summer season. And if you really enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your bell notification button as well. Now, don't forget to go there and visit the website for HoneyMoon Home Fashions if you'd like to browse around and see some of their other bedding selections that they may have, or if you're interested in purchasing this particular bed set, the hotel collection. I got mine in the black and white. Then please be sure to go over there and visit their website. And once again, thanks for watching Designing with Tamela Bowie Interiors, designing for how you really live in your home. Bye.